Hey everyone, my name is Sean, and today we're going to be adding a nice little pop-up to our product pages. So let's have a look here. I have a product page, and I'm going to refresh, and immediately you see a nice little shipping alert has been displayed to the customer. We're going to give the store owner the ability to edit the title as well as the description of this alert. So let's get started. As always, let's create a duplicate of our live theme, and I've already done so here. And let's go here and edit our code. From here, we're going to add the code required to create our pop-up. For that, we're using a really cool library called Sweet Alert 2. Let's go down to the installation instructions, and we're going to copy this link right here and open that in a new tab. And we're just going to copy all of this code and put it into our assets folder within the theme. So we're going to go to assets, add new asset, create a blank file, create it as a JavaScript file, and we're going to call it Sweet Alert 2. Hit done and paste that code in and click save. And now we have Sweet Alert added to our theme. So let's create a test pop-up on our product pages. Let's search for our product template file, product.json. And within that file, we should be able to see a main-product section file. And in your theme, this may be something different, but just search for the main section file that your product page probably uses. In this case, the Dawn theme uses main-product. So I'm going to go into that file within our sections folder, main-product. And I'm going to give ourselves some room up top here. And we're going to add the Sweet Alert script tag. I zoomed in a little bit so we can see a bit better. Let's add our opening and closing script tags. And within the opening tag, we're going to type src equals and opening and closing quotations, double curly brackets, and we're going to type sweet alert 2.js. And then we're going to add the asset URL filter. And one more important step, I want to add a defer attribute. And that makes sure this script isn't blocking the loading of everything else on this page. So let's hit save. And then let's go back to the Sweet Alert website and we'll go down to their examples here. And they have this nice little try me button with this HTML example. I'm going to copy the code for that. And we're just going to paste that right below our script tag where we call the actual library. So I'm going to do another opening and closing script tag. And within that, just paste what we have. I'm actually going to get rid of some of these. And I'll get rid of the icon as well. And then one more important thing we have to type is type equals module. And this is just a little trick to make sure that this script tag loads after this script tag, and it's also deferred. So let's save that. And then let's open a preview and go to our product page. And we see our pop-up there. That's great. I'm going to refresh again to take a look again. And it's a bit small, so I'm going to select it here, open my console, and select the element. And let's see if we can adjust the text. I see that there's this font size attribute here, so I'm going to probably change this to 1.5 looks good. So I'm just going to copy this entire style, and I'm going to add my own style below this and paste that in. The only one we changed was the font size, so I'm going to save that. And now if we go back and refresh this page, we have the CSS inherited here. Now we can go in and edit the title to be whatever we want. Let's say shipping alert. I'm going to delete this content here, and instead I'm going to wrap it in template literal strings, which is the backtick right below your escape key on your keyboard. And I'm going to type something like, this product is made to order. It will take 10 days to create. Something like that. Let's save. And then we'll go back to our product page, refresh, and we see our custom content here. The only thing is, all of our products are going to show this exact same alert message, and we may not want to do that. We might want to have custom alert messages on a per product basis. So to do that, we're going to use meta fields. So if we go back to our admin within Shopify and go down to our settings and then scroll down to custom data, click into products, and we're going to add definitions for our products. So let's create one called show alert. And this one, I'm going to set the namespace as alert. And the type, it's going to be a true or false Boolean. So I'm going to select that there and this here and save. I'm going to create another one called alert title. Also, I'm going to set the namespace to alert. And I'm going to select a single line text, storefront visible, and save. Add one more, and this is going to be the alert description. And let's set the namespace again to alert. Select the type, and this one is actually going to be a rich text. I'm going to select that there and save. I'm going to drag the show alert to be the first one, the title be the second one. And now when I refresh and visit my product pages, if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see the meta fields that I just added here. Right now, all of these meta fields are blank, and that is fine. We're going to set up some logic back within our code. So let's give ourselves some room up here. And we're going to do an opening curly bracket and a %, and say if product.metafields.alert.show alert is equal to true, then we want to display all of this. So let's end this if statement and hit save. So now currently the meta field is blank and it's not true or false. So the pop-up should not display. So if we refresh, the pop-up does not display. So now if we go back into this product and we select true and save, and we go back to the product page and refresh, the alert does display. Let's go in and add the custom title and description meta fields. So I'm going to copy this formatting up here, and in the title area, double curly brackets. And for this meta field, we called it alert title. And we'll do the same thing with the one down here. This one we called alert description. And this one actually does require a filter because it is a rich text and there could be extra HTML in it. So we'll add a pipe symbol and we'll type meta field _ tag. And now we'll hit save. And let's go back to our product page and refresh. And nothing's displaying, and that's because we haven't put anything in our title and description area. So we go back to our boots product, and now we add a test title, test description, and then save. Let's go back and refresh this page again, and now these are showing up. There's a lot of other settings you can add to your pop-up. One I want to add right now because I think it would look nice is to actually hide the confirm button, because right now we display a confirmation OK button. I don't know if it's necessary here. So there's an option for show confirm button, and we're going to set that to false. And I also want to change the background color to something, which we can do here through this setting, or you could even do it through just the CSS if you'd like. So I'm going to save that here. And now when we refresh this, it's a green background and there's no button. So you can just click off of the pop-up and it'll disappear. And that's everything. We now have unique per product pop-ups that we can display to our customer. And they're easily editable on the back end through the meta fields we've created. If this video has been helpful for you, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.